So what you're listening to is volume at 50%, and the camera is located 24 feet away from the speaker. We've now increased volume to 75%, and just to confirm, it's in music mode. So we'll now change the modes on the back of the actual speaker from music to live setting. We're now in live setting. We're now in hi-fi setting, so the DSP is now set to hi-fi. The DSP is now set to speech mode. Speech mode.
This is just to give you a comparison. That's the play of the volume that we have there versus me just talking to you 24 feet away. I hope this helps. Leave me any comments down below or give us a call here at Expert Island. Thank you. Bye now.